Hello YouTube, thanks once again for joining us for another tutorial. Today we are going to give example on how to use the if statement with the AND condition. Basically the AND function, it's the logical function used to require more than one condition at the same time. So we are going to combine the AND function and if in order to come up with the return value that we want. So we're going to show you how to use the Excel AND function in combination with the if statement. So in this example, like we always do, we are looking at 6 employees. This is their annual salary, and this is the performance review that they did get for last year. And the raise, it's for us to determine if an employee deserves a raise based on their salary as well as the performance review. So we're going to populate the raise column for each of the employee using the if and AND condition. So we have criteria that we need to meet in order for us to get a raise. So this kind of gives us a guideline on when people will get the raise. So if the performance review is equal to 10 and their salary is under $100,000, they will get a 5% raise. If the criteria is not met, whether it's the performance review or the salary, then they will only get a 2% raise. So let's get to our example. So basically, equal if, then you open the parenthesis, you put AND, and the AND condition, it's a logical test. So what are we wanting to check? So we want to check if the performance review is equal to 10. So performance review equal to 10, and we want to check if the salary is under $100,000. Okay, then we close the parenthesis because those are the two conditions we want to check. If the condition is met, they will get a 5% raise. So basically it's going to be the base salary plus 5% from that salary. Okay, and if the condition is not met, meaning that the salary is above $100,000 or the performance review is anything but 10, then they only get a 2% raise. So we're going to say their salary plus their salary times 0.02. Then I can close the parenthesis. I press enter. So for John, for instance, his new salary with the raise will be $84,000. So the salary is $80,000, which meeting the salary requirement of under $100,000. Then the performance review is 10. Therefore, the criteria for him to have a 5% raise is met. Therefore, is going to be getting $84,000 salary. So instead of calling this raise, I should call it a new salary. So we're going to check for Jim. So I can just drag down my formula. So Jim's last year's salary was $120,000. So right off the bat, it does not meet the salary requirement. Therefore, is going to get a 2% raise. So if you look at here, his new salary is the 2% included. So as you can see, this is how the if and AND condition works. And if you have any question, if you like the video, please let us know. And any other topic that you would like to get covered, please let us know as well. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.